and keep an eye on your watch while doing practice questions. This is very important thing, because a lot of times what happens that students, they come out of exam and they say, oh, I was not able to finish the exam, time was less. Time was not less, you were slow actually, because like I say that you have practiced yourself to become lazy. You practiced laziness. How do you practice laziness? Throughout this time period of 10 weeks which we have, what happens that today you are sitting and you say, I want to do questions. So there is a question for which 20 minutes are allocated. You know that ACCA one question must be done in 1.8 minutes, right? Because you have 180 minutes in exam for 100 marks. So each question has 1.8 minutes. There are 10 MCQs. You should be doing it in 18 minutes. Let's call it 20 minutes. You should be doing this 10 MCQs in 20 minutes. But what you do in 30, and you did all of them correct. You are very happy. Oh, I did all of them correct. I'm doing great. I'm brilliant. Yeah, but you took 10 minutes extra. And then what? And you did not realize it. So today you trained your mind to do this question in 30 minutes. Tomorrow you repeated it again. Then you repeat again. Then you repeat again. So throughout this 10 weeks time period, you are actually training your mind to go slow. You never pushed your mind to read the question fast, try to understand it fast, try to understand in the first reading, and then finding out the best way to solve it in minimum time. You never tried it. So you have been doing each 20-mark question in 30 minutes. When you go to exam, now you tell your mind, no, 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 you have to do it in 20 minutes. And your mind will tell you, you never told me to do in 20 minutes. I always did it in 30 minutes. What will happen? Last question, you will leave. Many times you say the last question was difficult, I could not do, or maybe the last question I could have done, but I did not have time. So please keep an eye on your watch. It's very important. There are a few things or few factors which are underestimated by the students, and it is one of them: speed. It's not only about knowledge, it's also about the speed in which you have to deliver it. If you cannot deliver it, you are gone.